I'm glad that we sized into that trade for sure. We're following it here. It's day 5 of the Alpha Futures eval account, and I'm WesleyTrades. Welcome back to another video. And today I got some exciting news to tell you guys. We have an official date on when we are going to do the giveaways. We're going to be doing them this coming Sunday, I think around the same time in the morning. I'll keep you guys updated on if we are able to stream it on YouTube as well. But for now, to be safe, make sure to join the Discord and watch for the winners. There was some huge news recently within the American market. The American government has shut down, well, until they can find a deal. And what it means is that they are putting a halt to all non-mandatory operations. So like the Fed, all the data that is gathered throughout the US economy, we're not going to be seeing any of that. So that means for us traders, all of our red folder news events, so if we actually take a look right here, all of our red folder news events are going to be saying tentative, because we don't know when it's going to come out. So this could come out in a week from now, this could come out for 2 weeks, and markets do not like uncertainty. Yo, JJ, how's it going, bro? Toddy, good morning. That's so crazy, dude. I just woke up and saw your Insta vid about it. I saw your comment. You're like, what the fuck did I miss? That's funny. How's everyone doing today? Okay, let's talk about this while I'm doing my analysis, actually. So starting at the weekly. Okay, I would say that, yes, this is going to affect the market. I'm actually kind of surprised with yesterday how positive we responded to that news. Because so I'm putting my mind as an American citizen. If I was an American citizen invested in the stock market, so we're bullish, and I saw this news come out, this would, without a doubt, like scare me a little bit, because holy shit, our government is like, there's issues within our government, right? They're putting a halt on all fresh data, so there's no new news coming out within the market, and that is gonna sway my opinion on how stable I think the market is, if that makes sense. So through hearing that news, I would probably be like, holy shit, we're at all-time highs at NASDAQ right now. Say I'm invested in the NASDAQ. Yeah, we're at all-time highs in the NASDAQ right now. I'm going to take out my money in hopes that this news does not crash the market. And then once or if it crashes the market again, I'll re-enter the market there and I'll be a bajillionaire. You know what I mean? Yeah, and then what the fuck that the government is shut down. Oh, dude, I know, it's crazy. Dude, we're at all-time highs. What are we doing here? But yeah, it's kind of crazy. I remember seeing that and I was like, whoa, what? And a lot of people that I talked to that like don't trade, I had no clue about it. Like it wasn't very televised. You know what I mean? This wasn't a well-known news event. So down in the, actually, let's go back to the 1 hour. We have this fair value gap below, kind of printing one right now. We're just pumping. I know, it's kind of crazy. I'm kind of surprised the way we've reacted to this news as well. Also, good news coming today or tomorrow. We're getting a stand for the microphone, so we're going to sound better. Yeah, I'm actually so excited. Low resistance liquidity, right? I'm thinking bearish, but don't quote me on that. That is not financial advice, okay? Got market open in 1 minute and 10 seconds. So let's open up our 2 windows here. Most likely not, right? Because we are at all-time highs with MES as well, I hope. I'm not going to see any form of bearish SMT because we are at that all-time high. But in the meantime, we can do session lows. Not very many session highs to mark out, but we can mark out session lows. We just touched -2 on standard deviation at manipulation. That made this whole week's move up. Maybe bearish actually. Retrace. Dude, I'm saying, bro, I think we're going to be bearish too. Maybe we kickstart a move down already, but I honestly think that we move down. Yeah, I would like to trail a short for sure. Bro. I closed shorts way too soon, dude. That's all right. I am so looking for an entry here. I could give a shit about a bullish SMT. We have a bullish SMT. I'm not too sure about shorts. Yeah, I personally, I believe we are definitely taking these London lows. I would just like for us to push down a little bit more London session lows and then retest one of these fair value gaps. If we get a bearish candle close, we are entering. We're going to trail our stops. I'm going to place our stops above the body of this candle to the left here, depending on if we get like a super volatile candle, but we do need a bearish close of a candle. Oh, that took long. Why'd that take so long? I like that. Okay, we're in for low risk right now just because of the news, right? If we get another good candle close, I will be in with full risk. All right, we're in our full position and we're going to trail our stops. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, you guys. We're going to break even right now already. Let's go, baby. Let it rip. Let's go, Wes. Hell yeah. Fully removed, take profit, dude. Holy candle. Dude, seriously. Candle of candles right there. I'm copying on 5 evals. Dude, hell yeah. Let's go, use. You literally work 1 hour a day and you're done. Dude, fuck yeah. Let's go, you guys. Let's go. 200 secured in profit already, but that was a banger trade. We made $207.60 and it's only 7:53 a.m. We're sticking around. We took a banger trade and we were super resilient in everything else that we did today. So I will see you guys in the gaming channel in like 30 seconds. Peace out.